When it comes to maintaining performance of your boat, let's face it, we all want the fastest boat, and we definitely want it to be faster than our buddies. But there's a few things we can do to really keep an eye on and understand what our engine is doing. And the first thing I like to do coming off the trailer is allowing my boat to get up, or my engine to get up to operating temperature. In the 400 Verado, its operating temperature is 140 to 160 degrees. You want the whole engine to warm up. You want that metal to expand at the same rate. The last thing you want to do is have your pistons warm up a lot faster than your block, which is going to put more wear and tear on the cylinder rings, and which is going to lose compression, which is in return loses horsepower, and in return you lose speed. And so all you simply need to do, especially on the Ranger Ride screen, my operating temperature is at 142. I mean, I just shut this engine off from idling a little while ago. I look at my oil temperature, and so generally oil temperature is going to be over 200, especially if you've ran any wide open periods or longer runs. And so what I like to do, especially if I push my engine hard or made a long run, and even in a tournament, I'll let my engine run for say like 3 to 5 minutes. And what I always watch is oil temperature, because my coolant temperature is going to come down, but my oil temperature is, you know, all throughout the engine, and this is going to take a lot longer to cool down, obviously more capacity as well. And so when that oil temperature gets down to that 180, 190, you know, that's when I generally shut my engine off, because I want that engine to cool down slowly. You know, everything together. The last thing I want to do is basically have, you know, my engine push really hard, really hot, and all of a sudden I shut the engine off and then let everything spike in temperature and then cool down, you know, at different rates. As long as I let my engine run, I'm circulating that cooler water, allowing that engine to cool down like it's supposed to. And so to me, at the end of the day, this is going to create a lot more performance, a lot longer. And these are the little things that are going to add up over the course of 5 to 10 years with an engine that is going to allow you to have a faster boat than your buddies majority of the time.